Hey everyone, this is Card Addict 23, and I am opening up another one of my packs from the hobby box for the Topps Series 1 2025. And let's go. Sean Reynolds, rookie. Cal Quantrill. Manny Machado. I don't know how to pronounce his name. John Kency Noel is a rookie. Hudson Waldrep, rookie. Jake Cave. Michael King, rookie. Orlevis Martinez. Andres Chaparro, rookie. Luis Rengifo. Brady Singer. DJ Hers, rookie. And that's our last card. If you liked any of these cards, if you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and feel free to comment and check out my other videos. See you on the next one.